Hi guys, today we compare Nothing Phone 4a Pro versus Oppo Reno15. Camera. The Nothing Phone 4a Pro come with triple camera setup, first 50 megapixel wide, second 8 megapixel ultra wide, and 50 megapixel periscope telephoto with 4K 30 FPS video recording. Oppo Reno15 come with triple camera setup, first 50 megapixel wide, second 8 megapixel ultra wide, and 50 megapixel telephoto and 4K 60 FPS video recording. Nothing Phone 4a Pro come with 32 megapixel selfie camera, 1080p 30 FPS video recording. Oppo Reno15 come with 50 megapixel selfie camera, 4K 60 FPS video recording.
Cup of blend, that's right. In the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb. A new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time.
Both mobile come with octa-core CPU, 2.8 GHz, Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 4nm chipset, and Adreno 722 GPU.
I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits.
Both mobile come with 8 and 12 gigabytes of RAM and 256 and 512 gigabytes storage. Not support SD card.
I won't stop till I make a change.
Oppo Reno15 come with 6500 mAh battery and 90-watt wire charging support. Nothing Phone 4a Pro come with 5400 mAh battery and 50-watt wire charging support. Both mobile come with AMOLED display and 6.59 and 6.83-inch screen. Both mobile come with 1.5K screen resolution and 459 and 440 ppi density. Nothing Phone 4a Pro 144 Hz refresh rate and 93.9% screen-to-body ratio and Gorilla Glass 7i screen protection. Oppo Reno15 120 Hz refresh rate and 89.4% screen-to-body ratio and Gorilla Glass 7i screen protection. Oppo Reno15 and Nothing Phone 4a Pro come with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, fingerprint under display, UFS 2.2, and IP69 and IP65 dust tight and water resistant. Nothing Phone 4a Pro got 18 points and Oppo Reno15 20 points.